Well, hey everybody, it's March the 25th, I believe. It's a Saturday, and I'm just out in the yard. I've been meal prepping all morning, and I'm out in the yard now, filling my bird feeders up. I'm not going to fill them all the way up, because we're supposed to have some bad weather coming through. I think tonight, sometime tomorrow, and a little bit Monday. So I wanted to put a little bit of bird feed out here for my birds. Let me shut you up. Y'all can see. Can y'all see? Okay. I'll show it to you in a minute. This is a new bird feed I've been using. You can actually smell the peanuts in it. It smells so good I want to eat some of it, to be honest with you. Got me another one. This one looks like a little picnic table here. Can y'all see that? Okay, y'all can see that now. You back up. Well, there you go. I've noticed the birds like this one a lot. And this one I'm not going, it's okay until this one's full enough. This one right here. I think that's enough feed until the bad storms go through. And I've got some smaller ones here on the side of my property, on the fence line. I've got these little ones here, like little leaves. I'm taking y'all along with me. I've got two more like those, like that one I just filled up. Watching my step here. I haven't seen the snake, but I know they're crawling. Got one right there. Oops. Oh, the other one's over here. I forgot I moved my other one. Got one right there. I think y'all see it. I think you can. Okay. I think the wind blows them off, but I put it in there anyways. And I got one more. This one, I'm gonna show y'all. I just filled it up. That one right there, the birds really love this one. I get the little bitty birds on that one. And I put it close to the house because that's where Rocky, he loves to lay in the window. And so I try to keep him entertained while I'm at work. So he really loves watching the birds. And let me show you my hummingbird feeders. That's my neighbor's house over there. I've got the sweetest neighbors. And that's the other one. Can you see the other one here? Well, there it is. I have yet to see a hummingbird out here. So, if I got something in that thing, it looks like something's in it. But I don't see nothing in it. Well, I just wanted to show y'all. Just kind of worried about these storms coming through in the next day or so. So I know Mississippi got hit hard. Some parts of Mississippi got hit hard last night. They had some tornadoes and fatalities. So y'all keep us in prayer that we don't have any bad weather through here. And my heart goes out to the ones in Mississippi that were affected. And y'all have a great day.